in terms of cultural diplomacy, what are the Israeli embassy's major cultural diplomatic initiatives? And what are some examples of successful cultural diplomacy in which the embassy has been engaged? And why have they been successful?
Well, whenever we bring a good cultural content, I think we've seen great success. And the fact that many names are recognized within the U.S. or in other places of the world, I think the diplomats play a part in it. I've mentioned Amos Oz, but there's so many good Israeli writers that are known, that are invited to different festivals, different events around the world. So I consider that a success. I think he didn't, as I said, the different dance groups, any cultural element that somehow resonates within the different publics, any name that is able to cut through the different layers, whether it's language or different music or a different geography, and is able to resonate with people, I think it's a huge success.
Okay. Would you like to recommend any Israeli literature, TV series, or movies that we might enjoy at home during the semi-lockdown period? And also, is there a website where we could find all of those cultural products listed?
I don't know of one website where it's located. And there are many actually interesting things happening. What I will have to do though, because some of them you have to pay and I don't want to promote them now, and some you need to, become a member. What I will do with you, and then you'll share hopefully, to all your members, I'll send to you some specific recommendations that are free and are legally free. And we can definitely share, but of what I hear from all, not all of them, because not everybody is watching, but from my American friends, of course, there's Slugim about the religious groups in Israel. And of course, Fauda, that the third season came out now, and everybody is completely excited, and that they are both on Netflix and are available. So I know that, but there are many interesting things coming out. But I'll send you, because I don't want to say things and then promote something that isn't legally, out there or something and get in trouble for it. We're very, very aware of copyrights and etc. We've been hit, not us specifically, our team is good, but the MFA had quite a few incidents on these issues. So I'd rather be careful.
May I add one?
Of course, please.
Good afternoon. So my name is Eli Gabay. I'm the Parnas of Congregation Mikveh Israel, as introduced by my good friend. And I'm humbled to be here, and it's really nice to be here. I wanted to add the show that's called on Netflix, that I'm in it. That's the only reason. It's called The Devil Next Door.
I'm going to watch.
You should. It features, it's a 5-part series on the trial of John Ivan Demjanjuk.
Wow.
And back in the day, I was part of the prosecution team in Jerusalem.
I watched it, what they showed on TV on Channel 1 in Israel when it happened.
Just don't tell me you were a little kid and watching it, okay?
I wasn't a little kid, sadly. I wish I could say that.
Thank you, Parnas Eli Gabay.
It's a pleasure, my friend.
And
I'll
again,
definitely watch it.
To Mikveh Israel, a synagogue of the American Revolution.
From Philly.
All the way from Philly.
Established 1740, I might add.
Exactly.
I love Philly.
Since 1740. And
I went to school in Akiba Academy way back when.
Right. Yeah, my father taught there many years ago.
So we won't get into how many years ago, right? You promised.
And